But I don't want to beg for aid or for dole. I want justice for my people. I want climate justice. We want to be able to rebuild their lives and livelihoods in a just manner. And every crisis does indeed also offer an opportunity. We will have to reconstruct our lives, our infrastructure, our irrigation infrastructure, our communication infrastructure. And we want to do so in a better way, in a greener way, in a climate resilient way. And I believe that this is the moment that Pakistan can now plan going forward to adapt ourselves to the increasingly frequent